Accused ice dealer Jacob Vance Manibusan, also known as Cutty, will have his day in federal court Monday. The DEA using an admitted drug dealer to go undercover and catch Manibusan in the alleged act. The investigation dating back to November 2020, when the Fed's confidential source told them about Manibusan's drug business and that he was allegedly selling methamphetamine out of a hotel in Tumon. The DEA then put a wire on the source, who then went to an apartment in Mighty to meet Manibusan. Manibusan then calling her to meet up down the street in the parking lot of a restaurant in Barrigada. That's where the source instead met with a woman identified in court documents as Annalyn Tenorio, who at the time was Manibusan's partner. The source giving Tenorio $1,000 in exchange for 5.51 grams of meth. DEA agents tested the drugs, and the investigation continued into January 2021. The source going undercover a second time, again wearing a wire. This time, the deal was to buy an ounce and a half for $5,000. The source met Manibusan at a hotel in Tamuning, but he did not have the drugs then. Not long after, Manibusan and Tenorio had the source meet them in the parking lot of a restaurant in Harmon. That's where they carried out the alleged drug buy. The source bringing 27.2 grams of meth back to investigators. An indictment was handed down against Manibusan this past January, and Tenorio was also charged for her alleged part in the drug sales. Tenorio has since taken a plea deal admitting to conspiracy to distribute 5 grams or more of meth. Her agreement includes testifying against Manibusan. The case is only made public in mid-April ahead of Manibusan's trial in the District Court of Guam. Manibusan faces charges of conspiracy to distribute 5 grams or more of methamphetamine hydrochloride and 2 counts of distribution of 5 grams or more of meth. Prosecutors plan to have the DEA's confidential source testify at trial as well. Manibusan's jury trial begins Monday morning before Chief Judge Francis Tedinko Gatewood. Nick Delgado, KUAM News.